Hey friends, we're gonna draw a hot dog.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to draw a hot dog with pixel art. So for this lesson, you also need to download our food grid as a guide. And parents, teachers, and adults, you can click the link below this video to download this and also print it out. You ready to start?
Yes!
You can draw right on this paper, or you can put marker paper on top. Because we're using alcohol-based markers, this is my favorite brand, Canson. And it works really well with the markers that we use. Here's your sheet of paper, and here's mine. Then let's flip over our paper and line it up. Line up the grid so that it's even on all sides. And then we're going to use a piece of tape to hold it down so it doesn't move when we're drawing. Now we can flip our paper back over, and you can see the grid still showing through the paper. Then when we're all done, we can remove the grid so you just see the drawing. Now we're ready to draw. We're using our black marker first, and we're going to draw the main shape of our hot dog, and then we'll color it in. So first we'll start up here in the top left, and we're going to count over 8 pixels or squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And on that 8th square, we're going to draw over the top of it, and then one more to the right. So this is the 8th square, and then we drew on top. Okay, now we're going to draw one down, over, and back up. Then we're going to draw 2 across and 1 down. Now let's draw 2 stairs going down. 1, 2. Then we're going to draw 1 more over and 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the bottom, we can go 1 in. Then we'll go 2 down and 1 in. Let's turn this into a stair. So we have 1 stair, and then we're going to draw 4 more stairs going down. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right here you should have 5 little peaks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got them?
Yep.
Nice. All right, now let's draw 2 over. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. There you go. Now you got 5. And then we're going to draw 2 over. 1 down, and then 3 across. 1, 2, 3. Now let's draw a stair going up. 1, and we could also draw another one going up. There you go. Now let's draw 2 across. 1, 2. 1 up and 1 more over, and we should be on the border of the grid. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw 2 going up. Then 1 to the right, up, and 1 to the left. Then we'll do 2 more up and 1 over. Next, we'll draw stairs going all the way over, and it should connect to where we started. So we'll draw a stair. How many stairs do we have? 3, 4, 5, 6, and then connect. Oh, I hope yours connects. Keep going. Did it work?
Yep.
Nice. There's the main shape of our hot dog. It doesn't look like a hot dog.
Nope.
Now we're going to switch to the thick side of our marker, so it's a little easier to color in the borders. We'll start over here, and let's color in these 2 and these 2. Next, we'll color the diagonal pixels going all the way up to the top. And if you want, you could draw the stairs first before you color them in. So you can draw the zigzag going all the way up, and then you can go back and color it in. During this lesson, we'll fast forward a lot of the coloring. So what can our art friends do if they need more time?
Pause the video.
Yeah. All right, now let's color in the top 2 here. Then let's color in 1 pixel here. So I went down, over, and up, and we'll color this one in. And then we'll also color in these 2 pixels. Next, we can color in this diagonal pixel right next to it. And then on this one, we're going to color 2 down and 2 across. This is a little L shape we can color in. Now let's draw a line straight down here and color these 3 pixels in. Then 1 over and 2 down. Then we'll draw diagonal pixels. We'll color all of these in. We'll draw stairs going down and then color these 4 squares in. Next, let's color in these 2 pixels. Also these 3 pixels. And then we'll do 1 up here and 2 right here. Oh, and 1 more pixel in between right here.
We finished the outside.
Yeah, now we need to draw the buns and also the hot dog. So we can start right here on this pixel, and we're going to draw diagonal pixels going all the way up. So maybe we'll start here, and we're going to draw 1 over, 1 up. And then we'll go all the way up to the right. When it connects, it should connect. There we go. I was getting nervous. And then we'll start where we ended, and let's go and create stairs going down the other way. And this should outline a diagonal row of pixels. Yes, 1 more stair. You did it. Now let's color in these squares. There's our first bun. Now let's draw our other one. We're going to draw a stair right here in this corner, and we can fill that in. Then let's go up 1 and over 2. Then we're going to draw stairs going all the way up, and it should end right here on this corner, hopefully. Then we can start here, and let's draw stairs going down and over, connecting all of the pixels so that we can color them in. When we get down to the bottom and draw this last one here, we're going to go down 1 and then over 2. Now let's color those in. We finished with our black marker. Does it look more like a hot dog now?
Yeah.
I think so too, except we need to color it, and we also need to add ketchup and mustard. So we have our Art for Kids Hub colors picked out. We're using 15 red, 24 orange. This is our bun color. It's more of a brown. Then we have 33 yellow and 2 red, which is our hot dog color. Let's start with our mustard, number 33. And you don't have to use our markers. You could use a different brand or even something completely different like colored pencils or crayons. Let's start right here, and we're going to draw 3 pixels over for the first strip of mustard. Then we'll go up 1 and then back 2, and let's color that in. Now let's start in this corner, and we'll go up 2, over 1, back down 2, and over 1 again. Then we're going to color in those 2 pixels. Now let's start in this corner, and we'll go over 2, up 1, over 2 again, and down 1. And then color those in. Let's color 2 more going up. Instead of going around the outside, we'll just color them in. And then we're going to color 3 going this way. Next, let's add the ketchup. We're using our 15 red, and I'm going to color in these 2 pixels right above the first strip of mustard. Then we'll color in these 2 pixels going up, then 2 pixels going this way, and 2 more pixels right under the last strip of mustard. Now I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
You could also add other colors like relish. That would be fun too. But let's leave it just like this. We're ready to color in our buns. We're gonna start with our 24 orange or brown, and we're gonna color in this top bun and also the bottom bun. And last, we'll use our 2, which is a dark kind of brown red color, and we'll color in all of the white pixels left on the hot dog.
Give me 5, Dad. You did a great job in your drawing.
Thanks, you did a great job too, Austin.
Thank you.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
They really did turn out awesome. I love that it's pixel art, and you guys could even customize this, like adding relish, or maybe you could even figure out how to add a funny face.
Or mayonnaise.
Oh, mayonnaise. Or cheese.
It would be a lot of fun drawing a hot dog.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.